What is statistical modeling in an AI data scientist career? Have you ever wondered how data scientists make sense of the vast amounts of information available today? One key tool they use is statistical modeling. This technique is essential in the career of an artificial intelligence data scientist. It involves applying mathematical frameworks to analyze, interpret, and predict patterns in data. Statistical modeling allows data scientists to establish relationships between different variables. They do this by estimating probability distributions and quantifying uncertainty. This process helps them make informed predictions and support decision-making based on data. At its core, statistical modeling transforms raw data into structured models that representing real-world situations. For instance, models like linear regression and logistic regression help describe how one or more input variables influence an outcome. These models can forecast future events, such as predicting customer behavior or financial market trends. In practice, artificial intelligence data scientists utilize statistical modeling in several ways. They discover relationships between variables in complex datasets. These datasets can come from various sources, including Internet of Things sensors, social media, and public health records. Data scientists also build predictive models that forecast outcomes based on historical data. This supports applications like marketing optimization and risk management in finance. Additionally, they validate hypotheses and test experimental designs to ensure that conclusions drawn from data are statistically sound. Visualizing data and model results is another important aspect. This helps communicate findings clearly to stakeholders, making it easier for everyone to understand the implications of the data. Statistical modeling is closely related to machine learning. In machine learning, models are trained on data to improve their predictive accuracy. However, statistical modeling focuses more on understanding the underlying data structure and the assumptions behind the models. This understanding is vital for ethical artificial intelligence practice. Recognizing biases in data and ensuring that models do not perpetuate unfairness is essential. Data scientists must interpret model outputs responsibly to maintain ethical standards in their work. When it comes to artificial intelligence and machine learning tools, statistical modeling plays a significant role. For example, language models like ChatGPT relying on statistical patterns in text data to generate responses. Similarly, image generation models like DALL-E and Midjourney use statistical representations of visual features learned from large datasets. In summary, statistical modeling in an artificial intelligence data scientist career involves applying statistical techniques to analyze data, make predictions, and support decision-making. It forms the mathematical basis for many artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. This requires both technical skill and ethical awareness to ensure responsible use of data-driven models.